And this one, we're bumping up to a Ryzen 7 3700. We've only really bumped up. We've got onto about 80. We've got a better 1080, or sorry, 1440p score. The second row here of scores, 1440p right here. This is 1080p scores. Better rated for 1440p gaming. You're going to get better performance if you're going to be running your games in 1440p. Problem is we're going to need an awesome graphics card to support 1440p gaming. And guess what? It's coming with one of the best ones on the market, the 3060 Ti. So you're getting a modern graphics card. Actually, the RTX 3060 Ti, the 30 line, as I mentioned before, that's the most recent line from NVIDIA. That's the most recent line of graphics cards. So you're getting a modern GPU. You're not getting a mid-tier GPU. You're not, cheaping out on this. You're getting a really, really, really great graphics card. When I say GPU, I mean graphics card, by the way. So you're getting a great processor. You're getting kind of an even better graphics card. It's a 12 gigabyte graphics card. That's great. That's a lot of storage for video shaders and things like that. A 1 terabyte SSD. There, well, now you can store even more games. 16 gigabytes of RAM. That's solid. That's just what we want. Great power supply. Windows 10. And this thing looks cool. Come on. You gotta love it.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you have not already entered our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes, you got to do it. Link in the description below. It includes Rode, who hooked us up with this Rode Procaster microphone, shock mount, boom arm, and the mixer to go with it. If you want to sound this good, let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. Take a look. It also includes this mixer right here, which is arguably the highest end creator mixer on the market. Plus, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a Legend license if you want to step up your YouTube channel management game, and Restream threw in a license as well if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow through live streaming faster. This costs $0 to enter. Link in the description below. If you want to enter the sweepstakes, if you want to sound this good, the exact package we use on the podcast every single day, and the tools we use to manage our channels and help our clients, all free as a part of this sweepstakes. Good luck. I hope you win. Adios, gaming creators. Appreciate you.